So, hello guys. Now let us discuss the illustration number 6, which is of depletion method, or we can say depletion. And we need to show the quarry lease account and depreciation account. By name of quarry lease, don't confuse. It is a similar to machinery account only, so don't confuse at all. But of course, if we want to charge depreciation on machinery, we are going to write the entry depreciation account debit to machinery account. But here we are going to write the entry depreciation account debit to quarry lease account. Simply, that is the difference. Only that much is the difference. And of course, we have seen in the previous lecture about of production units method, machine hour rate method. Those we have seen. So for production units, what is the basis for production units? For production units is the base. For machine hour rate method, hours are the base. For depletion method, simply for depletion method, tons, minerals, quantity of minerals extracted will be the basis. That is the only difference we are having for this problem. So that I think you know how to do next case, but I am going to explain to you the total sum. Okay, illustration number 6, we shall start now. Mrs. Surya and company took a lease of a quarry on 1st January 2017 for 1 crore rupees. As per technical estimate, the total quantity of mineral deposit is 2 lakh tons. Okay, depreciation was charged on the basis of depletion method. Extraction pattern is also given below. Simply, and for year 1, they have given us the quantity of mineral extracted. Okay, for 2017, 2000 tons of mineral extracted. 2018, 10,000 liters, 10,000 tons were extracted. 2019, 15,000 tons were extracted. We need to show the quarry lease account and depreciation account for each year from 2017 to 19. So simple, very simple question. But before going to that one, let us see what is the annual depreciation. So calculation of annual depreciation. So they have not given us the scrap value of this. Of course, for the annual lease, there will not be any scrap. Calculation of annual depreciation for the years 2017, 18 and 19. So for 2017, 2018, 2019. So very simple question. Don't need of any panic. But by seeing the question of quarry lease, don't confuse. Of course, this has been removed from the syllabus of the CA. So don't worry, this will not be tested. If it has tested also, there is no need of worrying. So what is the total in 2017? It's extracted is 2000 tons, and total tons is worth 2 lakh tons. Total tons is 2 lakh tons into 1 crore is the value of this one. We shall write down the same value. And if here 10,000 liters have been, sorry, I'm sorry, 10,000 tons have been extracted out of 2 lakh tons, and 1 crore we need to multiply with. We shall write down the value. Simply here also 15,000 divided by 2 lakhs into 1 crore. Okay, so 2,000 divided by 20,000 into 1 crore, which is 10 lakh rupees. Sorry, 1 crore divided by 2 lakhs into 2,000 only, right? So this is 1 lakh. I have taken 20,000 there, so that is no problem. So by multiplying 2000 it is converted into 10,000. That means 5 we are going to multiply. Simply this would be 5 lakh. By estimation we can write 2 into 7.5. This will be 7,50,000. So this is how we can calculate the annual depreciation. So we know now the annual depreciation. We now know the annual depreciation. That is value there. Then we can prepare quarry days account and depreciation account in easy manner. So let me write it. Let me prepare quarry days account. Let me prepare the quarry days account here. Simply for 2017 we are going to prepare to balance, not to balance. Huh? 1 second. Here we are going to write 2 bank account for 1 crore rupees. Of course this is debit side and this is credit side. So 1/1/2017. So this is 31st December 2017. We are writing here by depreciation. By depreciation 1 lakh rupees is there. By depreciation account 1 lakh rupees simply, and by balance carry down. 1 crore minus 1 lakh is 9 lakhs 99 lakhs it is, right? 99 lakhs plus 1 lakh is 10 crore, 1 crore. So this is 99 lakhs. So 1 crore is the balance here. So 1 crore we are going to write it here. Simply 1 crore. And if you want to prepare depreciation account, you are going to write in the debit side for first year to quarry lease account for 1 lakh rupees, and at the end of the year we are going to transfer it to P&L account by P&L account by 1 lakh. So this is 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this is for year 2017. For 2017, but dates are same, 31st December 2017 only. Okay, for 2018 we are going to write it here to quarry lease account 5 lakhs. If is the depreciation for second year, right? We are going to write the mentioning working note number 1 simply, and here by P&L account we are going to transfer 5 lakh rupees, and the same thing in 2019 to quarry lease account for 7,50,000. In by P&L account we are going to write 7,50,000 here. Okay, and now on 1/1/2018 to balance brought down 99 lakhs, and 31st December 2018 by depreciation 5 lakhs is the depreciation for the second year. Okay, and by balance carried on 5 lakhs 99 lakhs means 94 lakhs. Total of 99 lakhs is there here. You can write the total there. So 1/1/2019 to balance brought down so 31st December 2019 by depreciation account 7,50,000 is the total here. So 94 lakhs minus 7 lakh 50,000, 86 lakhs 50,000. So this is total of 94 lakhs, and here by balance carried on, total of 94 lakhs. To balance brought down 86 lakhs 50,000. This we need to mention. So brought down, we need to bring the amount brought down for the next year, and we shall close the account. Queries account has been completed. So in this manner we have completed illustration number 6 also. So from the next problem, from the next illustrations, we are going to see the profit or loss on the sale of machinery, that means the property, plant, equipment. And of course, in the last lectures, in the last 2 or 3 lectures, we may see the accumulated depreciation problems. Okay, that means what we can say, I'll explain it. Okay, that is how we can complete the session. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Like